name's Dave. I'm Chief Tech Officer with a little company called Ocular Robotics. We're an Australian-based technology company. We do ultra-high performance optical sensor pointing systems.
Yes, that's cool.
Short version of that, you can use our technology to point a laser rangefinder and turn it into a 3D laser scanner. You can use it to point a spectral sensor and turn it into a mapping spectrometer. You can use it to point cameras and grab imagery, security style. You can point thermal cameras. Pretty much anything optical band, we can point it. We can point it faster and more accurately than anyone else on the planet.
It is pretty cool. And so you have a crazy demo that is running right now that I see on the screen.
Yes.
What is it doing exactly? What am I seeing?
So what you're seeing is a 3D model of the entire exhibition space.
That's pretty cool.
The little guy up on top is a 3D scanner. It's going through a bunch of pre-programmed motion patterns, really showing off the fact that our sensors are really flexible and adaptable. They get you the information that you want when you want it, and that's really a globally unique feature of 3D laser scanners.
All right, and if people want to get in touch, if they want to try and use this tech for something, how do they say hello? Who do they talk to? Where do they go?
Info@ocularrobotics.com, sales@ocularrobotics.com. Hit up the website. We've got a bunch of documentation. We've got a bunch of demo videos up there. So get in touch. Heck,
definitely
d.wood@ocularrobotics.com if you just want to talk to me, because I'm a nice guy.
He is very friendly. You should message him. I like the last bit especially.
Which is what we're teaching and talking about today.
I have run a workshop there, and it is a very fun place to teach people VR.
Yes, and coming back again in November, teaching people how to think about designing for virtual reality. We found it takes like 3 to even like 5 weeks to start breaking the habit of designing for 2D.
Yeah.
So thinking about a native, three-dimensional, VR experience and designing an interface for that, for example, is something that, it takes, you're not going to get it the first time. The first thing you're going to think of is going to be a two-dimensional solution. So it's breaking that habit, which is really challenging in the first few weeks.
If people want to get in touch with you guys, if they want to do a course there, where are you? How can they say hello? If they're really confused and they don't know kind of whether they should do a course, whether it's a good idea, who do they chat with? How do they say hello?
Okay, so people should come and talk to me.
Yes, talk to Jane.
I'm the course manager, and I can tell you all about the different courses that we provide. We're actually based on Devonshire Street in Surrey Hills, so we're right near Central Station. You're welcome to come and drop in and say hi and see the campus, have a bit of a campus tour, maybe have a play on the Vive.
Definitely have a play on the Vive.
So people are very welcome to drop in. You can find us on our website, academyxi.com, or you can email me, jane@academyxi.com.
Cool. Thank you, Jane.
Thank you
Everybody,
so much.
do their courses. They're great and very friendly, happy people.
So Stingray is a game engine that Autodesk bought about 3-4 years ago. It used to be called BitSquid. So when it was acquired, it was BitSquid. We bought it. It came internally. They spent about a year developing it. From that, it was released as Stingray. One of the great things with Stingray is it's a data-driven engine, so you can basically build levels on the fly. You don't have to compile stuff, so you can experiment, you can iterate really quickly. What's really cool with it as well is, I'm an artist. I'm not a technical guy. I'm not a programmer by any stretch of imagination. But as an artist, I can take the work that other people have done, and I can copy, paste it, drag it in, move it around. So it's really easy for me as an artist to make stuff really quickly. A lot of people don't understand that if you're a student or an educator, all the software's free. So not just Max or Maya, everything, like literally every bit of software that Autodesk owns is free. So there's no excuse. If you want to play with stuff or experiment with stuff, get out there. You can grab it. It's free. More and more every year. That guy literally tried to walk through this way and then tried to walk through this way. He
what
just
is
wants to be
this?
on camera.
He does. I should interview him later.
Moving back from that, we've got things like recap, remake, 1, 2, 3D catch. All
You guys
of these,
have a lot.
Yeah, all of these are like.
The Innovation Lab at the University of Sydney, our main role is to connect researchers and educators to the technology that allows them to innovate in what they're doing in their pedagogy. So allowing them to access these new technologies that you see around you today, but use it in a way that can give a student an outcome or can enhance their research.
Cool. And so what am I seeing here where I am actually on the screen in multiple formats?
That's right. So Kinect's a fairly simple camera. It's taking RGB and point cloud data of you right now. We could,
Amazing.
if we wanted, record you as a model. Not that kind of model.
Not necessary, yeah.
Yeah, but capture you using this takes about 20 to 30 seconds to capture a model. We can then render edges, import you into a VR environment, and put you into the Oculus Rift.
That is very, very cool. So have you guys tried adding this into 360 video and stuff and kind of adding the layers and doing all that cool stuff? Is it easy?
360 video is good, but it doesn't have the same fidelity of head tracking that we are used to with the Rift. So when we generate the 3D models, generally the result is an academic has come to us and said, there's this thing at the museum that I want my students to interact with in 3D, but I'm not a 3D developer, how do I do it?
Yeah.
So we develop a framework like this, where they can 3D scan it. You don't have to use Kinect. You can use any 3D scanning technology you want, some sort of hand scanner or a little turntable scanner, any of those ones you see. And then they can just put the model in and the students can interact with it immediately.
That's very cool.
Takes 5 minutes.
That is excellent.
techlab@sydney.edu.au, that's the email address. Or me, jim.cook@sydney.edu.au. We're looking for partners in the technology space, so people that are doing this, at scale and at the enterprise level. We're also looking for the people that have the idea. So if someone has the idea that can revolutionize education or research, get in touch.
Cool. Thank you, Jim.
Thank you.
That was fun.
This was an experiment where Michael, what he did was that one of the things he has is a paper robot about this high. Inside its head is all this electronics. And he said, I wonder if I can do something different. So we took all the electronics out, added a couple of servos, and a packet of paddle top sticks.
Interesting.
And converted a paper robot into a hex model
Wow.
in an afternoon. We've written our program, and all we do is press the button, and the robot starts to move.
It's a pretty cute robot.
The advantage of this is that it's very physical. It's really good for the kids that are still at the concrete stage, but they still want to learn or still in a position to learn
Excellent.
how to do stuff.
So we run a company called Raw Media. It's a web-based content creation and viewing tool. So our goal is to make VR and AR available on the web browsers on any device you can use. And so we've achieved that for the first launch of our product. So you can create and view 360 interactive content. And if you've got a compatible device, you can do AR content as well. And really the goal is to grow it from there and add lots of different sorts of tracking and other technology.
Spreading web VR to the masses. It's good.
Exactly.
Yeah, cool. Well, thank you, Rob.
Good seeing you.
I think that's it. And that's a cut!